It's fucked up, eh? It's very, very totally fucked up. How they teach you bullshit nonsense, man. They're teaching you bullshit out there, niggas. I have to come back again and teach you. All this omas. Yeah, we're colonizing. It's a bullshit thing. Come on, let me teach you about the history, niggas. You know, the white people, they were the cavemen. White people, they were the cavemen. They were living under the rocks, under the cave. They were eating animals. Dinosaur, all the shit of animals, the meat. That's why you find the white man doesn't get cold in the eyes. Because this DNA came from a caveman. A white man can walk on the snow, but a black man can't walk on the snow. They're teaching you bullshit that we are animals, we are enemies, we should fight against each other. This is a bullshit thing that you've been teaching all around. It's a fuck up nonsense, niggas. Let me teach you about the real history of us. Black people, they are the children that comes under the sun. We are the original human beings on this world. Black people, they never eat meat. They were eating veggies, all the greens that you find in this earth. We are the first people to be on this earth, niggas. The time God said, let's make people into our own image, we were making the white people. We were making the family, niggas. Find Dr. Omas and other politicians, all these nonsense people, they're talking on the radio just to get some attention and power and useless thing. Niggas, we are the family. Black people, they were living under the sun. That's why you cannot find a black person on the snow. We never been in the snow. We don't know how to act on the snow. Same as a white person doesn't know how to act on the sun. When you get to the sun, it gets darker. It gets heat. And when we step into the snow, nigga, we're getting freeze. Because we are on top, them they are down as water, niggas. We are the family. We should be fighting the reptilians first in the beginning. The one who are separating us. The one who started all this shit. Because this world that we live in, we borrowed, niggas. We borrowed. This is not our world. It's the world of the reptilian. Niggas, wake up. Fuck up this teaching that you're basically getting on the radios of the politician. Oh, yeah, it's a colonizing. The white people, they came in the store. Fuck up this shit. Fuck up this shit. When the light goes off, niggas, when the light goes off, we all become dark again. When the world ends, we all become dark. We all become one because we have the soul of a God inside of us. Fuck up this bullshit nonsense that you're busy teaching people. Fuck y'all, niggas. White and black is a family thing. We should love one another, niggas. We should fight these reptilians. We never heard of a white person going to the mountain to the mountain and fuck up God. We never heard a black person go to the mountain and fuck up God, niggas. We worship God. Fuck all these reptilian niggas. Let's wake up, niggas. Damn it.